So all you have to do is go over here, copy your link right there, go to this simple website, paste it in, click submit ad, and you can start to generate as much as $2,000 per commission in as little as just 5 minutes of work per day. That's right. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful copy-paste free method you can use online to generate $247.38 every 5 minutes, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. I'm going to share every single step as far as how to find a good product that will pay you well, a specific little known website to copy paste your link on, and even towards the end of the video, how to use this site and method to rake in as much as $6,000 or more a week. So be sure you watch the entire training. Now, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to like the video, comment "Let's go" to show others you're serious about creating income online. And without further ado, let's dive into the very first step. So the very first step is we need to find a good product to promote. One place to do this is clickbank.com. You just go here, you can click start here like this, and you can go through these simple questions and start to create a free account in a matter of minutes. Now, once you're inside your account, you want to go to the top tab under marketplace, and they have all these different categories of products you can find to promote, such as betting systems, e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, etc. Now, ClickBank is not my favorite place to find products to promote. It can take a while to get paid out, and you don't earn 100% commissions. To find out my #1 affiliate system to promote that pays you instant 100% commissions, click the first link below and that will take you to more information. But in this video, we're going to use ClickBank, and let's go to the e-business, e-marketing category. So just go ahead and click that. Now, if you use ClickBank to find the best converting, the best selling products, we want to sort results by gravity, and this will list the products that have the highest gravity score. You can see this one right here has 300. Anything above 30 is good, so this is very good. And you can see you'll make about $30 per commission, per referral. So once we find a product, what we want to do is we want to click promote here, and we want to click create hop link. And then we want to copy this link. This is our affiliate link. So if someone goes to this link right here, it's going to take them to this page. And if they click start quiz with this specific product, it will eventually take them to a page where the person can buy, making us money. So what I like to do is open up a notepad file, and I like to just paste in the affiliate link to keep everything nice and organized. Now, the next step is we need to actually go over to another site that's totally free called tinyurl.com. Now, once you're on this site, what you want to do is paste in your affiliate link. No matter where you find your product to promote, you want to paste it in there, and we just click make tinyurl. And what this does is you can see right here, it made it shortened, okay, and more attractive. So this is going to get more people to want to click on it rather than this long, unattractive link here. So we just copy that there, and I like to, again, add it to the notepad file. We're going to be using this in a second, and in fact, you can actually erase the original. So now we just have this tiny URL that leads to our product. So now we need to go to the free site that's little known to start to get massive clicks to our affiliate link, and it's herculist.com. Now, there's going to be all the links directly below in the description. Now, if you've heard of this before, I highly recommend you keep watching this video. I'm going to share some secret strategies to make even more money. And what you want to do on this site is you want to actually click sign up here. And what this will do is allow you to create a totally free account. Now, you just want to put in your first name, last name, okay, a username, a password. You want to put in a Gmail, okay, as recommended. And then you just want to click here to agree to the terms. I'm not a robot, and create account. Now, it takes just a few minutes. You'll get an email where you have to click the link verifying your email address. But once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. Now, upon logging in, they're going to try to get you to upgrade to the different levels. Honestly, you can use this powerful method and make hundreds of dollars a day, if not thousands, just using the free plan. So you can go ahead and click continue free. And once you do that, you'll eventually get taken to this page. Okay, so they have all these different things you can do. We're going to ignore 90% of this, and we're just going to look here. Now you can see it says submit to 302,255 Herculist members daily. So what this allows you to do is you can actually promote to thousands of people for free every single single day. So what you want to do is you want to click here, and then eventually you're going to get taken to your back office. And again, you can go ahead and click submit daily email and web ad. Now, the way this site works is basically this site shows members ads or advertisements. And when someone goes ahead and sees the ad and they click our tiny URL link right here, which I'll share how to use in a second, they're going to get taken to our product. And because it's high converting, a good amount of people are going to decide to buy. So this site works great in the make money online home business niche. So once you click there, what you want to do is you want to come down and you want to go to this side here. Now, like I said, you get one ad to post per day. So what I highly recommend is you come in here once a day. If you have time in the morning, if you have time on your lunch break, you come in, you post the ad, and then you get out, okay? And over time, you're going to start to really get a lot of clicks and even sales. Now, I'm going to share how to even post more ads a day, so be sure you keep watching. But what we want to do is we want to open this up, go to tiny URL, okay, copy that, put for test URL right there. Okay, so this is where we want this ad, what link we want people to click on. Now, for the subject line and the ad body, I'm going to share two different methods you can use to find high converting ads that you don't even have to create yourself. So the first method is you go back to ClickBank, and every single product on ClickBank, and even at the first link directly below, when you check out my #1 program, it has ads you can post as well. But what you want to do is open up this affiliate page, and if it's a good product, they're going to give you resources. So you can see right here, it gives you quite a bit of resources. Now, what we can do is click email swipes and open up any one of these, okay? And we can use this as our ad. So you can see right here, the subject, get paid to scroll. I can copy this. I can go back to Hercules and just paste that in as the subject line. Literally copy and pasting. And then right here, the body, hi, name, etc. I can copy all of this. And what I can do is I can put it in right here. Now, we want to make sure that it looks good if we need to edit it. Okay, so hi, name, you could just say hi, my friend, because typically it would replace the person's name, but in this case, we're not going to do that. Click here to complete your application if you're interested. You can also add the link in the ad. Okay, so I can do that. Go to our shortened affiliate link, paste that in. Just see if there's anywhere else. Click here. Okay, yes, boom. And then signature, you can put your name. Looking out for you, Garrett. Okay, now once that's good, we can go ahead and literally just click submit ad. Now, real quick, I'm going to share another place you can get ads created if the product you're promoting doesn't have a lot of ads you can copy paste. Go over to a site called writesonic.com. This is a totally free site, and what this does is this literally creates articles, YouTube descriptions, all kinds of things with a click of a button. So I can click start writing for free, and then once I'm inside my dashboard, all you have to do is go over to ads and marketing tools and just click Facebook ads. And all you have to do with product service name, we can go to ClickBank and kind of see what the name of this product is. So it says get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So I can copy this, paste that in. Product service description, I can just write a few words. Learn how to get paid just using social media. And then occasion, we don't have to put anything there, and then generate. And what this will do is literally generate some ads in a matter of seconds with just a click of a button. Okay, so you can see right here that this ad is pretty darn good. It's very short, but sometimes short ads work really well. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Sounds too good to be true. It isn't. Learn how in this article. I can go ahead and copy this, paste it in as the ad. And once you're done, again, you would add the tiny URL affiliate link, the shortened link right there, check over it, and then we just click submit ad. Now you can see right here, ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members. So what this does is each day it sends it to 1,000 members if you're on the free plan. Out of those 300,000 members, it sends them to 1,000 people a day, okay, which is incredible. And you can see this is an example of someone else that is using this site. So as people use the site, they get presented ads. A lot of people are going to click here. And then again, if the product is good, they're going to convert into a sale. Now, how do you get access to more people on the free plan? Well, one way is you can just create more accounts. You can literally go to Hercules again, put in a different username, password, a different email address, and then you could literally just log in to both of these accounts every single day. Let's say in the morning before you go to work or school or whatever you're doing, you go in here, you log in, you paste an ad, you log into the other account, you paste another ad, and then you check your commissions, and you can start to, if you're promoting something good, get these emails like I do and so many of the people that watch my videos do on a daily basis. Now, as I said before, be sure to click the first link below to see a free video revealing how to easily set up my #1 affiliate system to promote with the method shared in this video to get paid instant 100% commissions. Also click the subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss out on my latest money-making methods. And last, if you want to discover another incredibly easy method to make commissions online, be sure to click the video that will show on the screen in just a second to discover that one also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.